So a really nice, interesting morning move in the German DAX this morning, guys. It started off pretty slowly, but then suddenly we got this whoosh down and sell-in signals on the German DAX. In fact, early morning around that 6 o'clock mark, we had this green buy signal. So if you were up nice and early, you could have made yourself about 40 points out of this German DAX. And then suddenly we got this big whoosh down, big red pro trend system selling candlestick. And I'll tell you why, and I'll show you why we got that selling from that area. And then it was a nice 50-point drop all the way down to the round number of 19,000. It was all about round numbers this morning. And then we pushed higher. Now, I was not interested in taking any long side trades in the morning move this morning. And then we got the red signal on PTS. It came at 8:05, just after the golden hour start at 8 a.m. We got the sell signal here, and then we literally run down all the way down to this beautiful round number of 18,950. So it was all about the round numbers. It was all about the 50-point moves here. And I managed to get this red pro trading system from here all the way down to this area here and managed to get out for a nice day's money profit. Now, you might be saying, but why didn't you short this one here? Now, this was a great signal. We got a new short red PTS. So when it turns red from green, we're looking to short. And that one was another 50-point drop as well. Now, I didn't actually get that trade. I only got this 50-point move here. I didn't get this 50-point move here because I was doing a one-to-one session with one of our mentorship students. So we were talking about other things, and then suddenly this market literally just gives us a new sell signal, and it dropped, and we managed to just watch it as it continued down. So a nice trade to the downside. And since then, we've gone a little bit higher, and at the moment, now we're in the doldrums. The morning move is over. We're done for the day. That is it. Good morning session. Interesting morning session. I could have got more out of the trades if I'd have taken this red short. But let's now dive into the reason why we started this morning move from here. And let's take a little look at the bigger picture. Okay, so up to the 1 hour time frame, and you can see that we've got the sell zones. This is green and white Fibonacci areas here. I've drawn that from the swing, high, low, projected it here. Now, this was the move up this morning on the 5-minute chart. I'm showing you the 1 hour here. And as you can see, we came into this trend line. Now, it was a bit of a strange trend line because I drew, normally when you're drawing trend lines, you draw it from the peak and the high of the candlestick, including the top of the wick. And it would have taken me through to this area here. So if I'd drawn it from here to here, then it would have projected in the future this trend line here. But I actually took it from here, projected it through to this. It only needs 2 reference points. And it came well within our sell zone. Okay, so this trend line here, which had 2 reference points, was right into our fib selling zone where we're looking for those reversals. Also, there's plenty of resistance in here as well. So if I was going long, I'm going long into a sell zone. I'm going long into a trend line. I'm going long into daily short moving averages. But the path of these resistance is down. So I'm only interested in the short side trades. Okay, so I do my bigger picture analysis, and then you can see here we get the shorts. This one very quickly happened, and then we get the new signal here to short, new signal here to short. Now this is the doldrums, job done. So cracking trading day. Could have got more out of it. It's always nice to look at that bigger time frame, because if you're just looking at the 5 or a 2 minute time frame chart, then you can't see what's going on with those trend lines on the bigger time frames. Good profitable day in the live trading room this morning, and I think there's going to be more to come. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. Continue to do these updates for you with the German DAX, because what's so good and why we like these German DAX big moves in the morning is because we're done for the day. You don't want to be trading beyond really 10 a.m. in the morning, if 9 a.m. if you can get done before that. So if we can set and see these color changes and then trade with the momentum on the bigger time frames, then we're most of the time going to be on the right side of these moves. And then you've got the rest of the day to do what you want. All right, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.